Hello students, welcome to Power Tutorials. So in this video we are going to cover section B of Maths class and CBSE board, and the set is 30/3/1 set. Okay, in the previous video I have covered all the section A questions, that is starting from 1, 2, 3 and so on, all the MCQs, and also mentioned why the options, and for few questions also mentioned the tips to solve faster way. Okay, so if you want to section A questions, I will keep that link in the description, you can refer to it. So let's start with section B, that is starting from 21st question. The first question is related to trigonometry. What is the question? 4k is equal to tan square 60 minus 2 cos square 30 minus tan square 30. So just if you know the trigonometry values, you can solve this question easily. Tan 60 value is root 3. So root 3 whole square. Okay, I'll write in terms here. Root 3 whole square minus 2 into cosecant 30. So it is 1 by sin 30. So which is 2 whole square minus 2. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 whole square. Okay. So 4k is equal to root 3 whole square is 3 minus 4 2s are 8 minus 2 into root 3. So 4k is equal to okay. So 3 minus 8 is minus 5 minus 2 by 3. So 4k is equal to, if I take LCM, it becomes minus 15 minus 2, which is minus 17 by 3. So k value is equal to minus 17 by 4 into 3, which is 12. Just cross check. Tan 60 is root 3 whole square is 3, correct? Cosecant 30 is 1 by sin 30, which is 1 by 1 by 2, which is 2. So 2 whole square, and 2 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3, correct? 4 2s are 8, 2 by 3, minus 5 minus 2 by 3, minus 15 minus 2 minus 17 by 2, 3 minus 3 into 4 is 12. Yes, this is correct. 22nd, probability of guessing the correct answer of a certain test question is x by 12. So P of E they provided as x by 12. But the probability of not guessing the correct answer, which is P of E bar. P of E bar I can write it as 1 minus P of E. So which is they have mentioned 5 by 6. So which is nothing but 1 minus x by 12 is equal to 5 by 6. So if I move 1 to the other side, it becomes minus x by 12 is equal to 5 by 6 minus 1. So which becomes minus x by 12 is equal to 5 minus 6 by 6, which is minus 1 by 6, minus minus cancel, 6 1 6 2's. So asking x value is 2. Okay, next move to the 23rd. Here we have 2, either you can solve A or B. So if I am in your position, I will definitely choose B option, because A part we need to find the factors and then we need to find the LCM. So it is little lengthy when compared to the below one. Okay, but still I will solve both the questions here. Which is used by both, means you need to find the LCM of 644 and 462. Let's solve it. 644, if I divide by 2, it becomes 322, again by 2 it becomes 161. If I divide by 7, 7 2 is a 14, 7 3 is a 21. That's it. Same way here, 462, I can write 2 2 is a 4, 2 3 is a 6, 2 1 is a 2, 3 7 is a 21, 3 7 is a 21, and then 7 11s. So these are nothing but 2 into 7 into 23 is first one. Second is 2 into 3 into 7 into 11 is second. So what is LCM means we have to write the common factors, prime factors in the highest power. So 2 highest power is 2 square, 3 is only 1, 7 is 1, 11 is 1, and this is 23. Okay, so we need to multiply all these things. 4 3s are 12. Okay, so we need to just multiply all the things. 4 3 is 12, 12 into 7 into 11 into 23, 12 7 is 84. Okay, I can write that. Multiply in the next part. 12 7 84 into 11 into 23. 84 into 11 into 23. This, okay, let's multiply these two first. 84 into 23. 4 3 2 4 3 is 12 1 8 3 is 24 25 2 4 are 8 2 8 is 60. So it is 2 13 9. So it is 1932 into 11. Into 11 is easy because you just need to add both the things again. So it is 19 2 5 12 11. So the final answer is 21252 is the final answer. Okay, so it is a bit lengthy because the weight is just 2 marks. So for this question, as I mentioned, I will choose B part because you can see, it will take very less time. Two numbers are registered 4:5 and the HCF is 11. HCF is 11, so simply numbers are 4:5. HCF is 11. What they are asking from the LCM. So if HCF is known and the numbers are in ratio, I can simply say the numbers are 4 into 11, comma 5 into 11. See the numbers we got, which is 44 and 55. What is LCM they're asking? So for two numbers, we know that product of numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. So LCM we need to find, HCF we know, which is 11. So now we can see 11 ones 11 5s. 44 into 5 is the LCM, which is 44 into 5. 5 4 is 20, 5 4 is 20. 20 plus 2, 22. You can see here, this took almost less than 1 minute, whereas this took at least 3 to 4 minutes to solve it. Okay, so that's why whenever you have options A or B, just read both the questions and see which will take less time to solve it. Okay, you should definitely might have known both the answers, but always prefer the one which will take less time to solve, because the time is most important for your exam. Let's see 24th question. Here also you had 2. So okay, if I am in place, I will choose A part. You will see why. In the value of quadratic equation, real and equal, the condition is B square should be equal to 4AC. What is B here? K. So K square is equal to 4 into A value is 4, AC value is 1. So K square is equal to 16. K value is plus or minus 4. See, it hardly took 1 minute only. Again I will see B part. So okay, it is y square minus 5y plus 3. What they are asking? A power 4 alpha power 4 beta cube plus alpha cube beta power 4. So this I can write it as alpha cube beta cube. If I take it as common, this becomes alpha plus beta. So it is alpha beta whole cube into alpha plus beta. So alpha beta is product of roots, which is 3. 3 whole square is 9 into alpha plus beta is minus b by a, which is minus of minus 5, which is 5. 5 9 are 45. So both are taking less time, but when compared to both, this is much faster and it will take less time, and we can feel much confident when solving this question. Okay, next move to the last question of 2 marks question, which is 25th. Prove that the tangents drawn at the end of diameter of circle are parallel. Okay, this is the direct question from NCERT textbook. If you remember, in circles chapter we have this question. So what I will do is I will draw a circle, mark a diameter, and these are the tangents. So I'll mark this as O. Let's mark the tangent AB. Let's mark another tangent CD. Let's mark these points as E and F. So I'll write here, draw two tangents ABCD to the ends of diameter. This is first step, and we know that tangents subtend 90 degrees to the center. So now we can say angle OEB angle OEB is equal to angle OFC, which are 90 degrees, which is nothing but alternate interior angles. So we have to state another statement. If alternate interior angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Therefore, the tangents are parallel. Okay, this is a bit of theoretical question, but still this is one of the easier question. It hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes to write the details. Okay, so in this way all the section B questions are done. So in the next video I will solve all the section C questions. Okay, so mostly today if possible I'll do it, or else tomorrow by 6 p.m. you will definitely get the video on section C questions. So thanks for watching. Let's meet again with section C questions. Thank you.